We are here with Siegel Knight of Portmore United. Just defeated Mount Pleasant by 2-0. Had a wonderful game in midfield. Tell us about coming back into league. This is the third game in the league, Siegel.
Thank you. It's great coming back after that teacher on it garden last week. So coming back, I just have to get match to get the team more better. But it was a good win. And I have to contact my team.
I mean, are there things you think you need to work on? The national program seems to be open now to more local-based players. Are you looking to get into the team?
Trust me, I'm waiting on my chance, you know. I'm working hard, so hopefully when I get that call, I will always be here.
And so you're fully recovered in terms of your injury?
I'm fully recovering that knee injury, so only thing I'm just doing working hard and get match fit.
Alright, Siegel, listen. I mean, keep on improving. Had a wonderful game today. Dominated the midfield against a very tough Mount Pleasant midfield. So all the best to you and your team moving forward.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.